In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off attention-aware features on your iPhone. The attention-aware feature uses facial recognition to check if you are looking at your phone before dimming the screen or lowering the volume of alerts. If you find this feature unnecessary or bothersome, you can easily disable it. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then scroll down until you see an option called Face ID and Passcode. Tap on it. And then enter the passcode of your iPhone. After that, scroll down a bit, and you'll see the Attention section, and under that, you'll see an option called Attention-Aware Features. To turn off attention-aware features on your iPhone, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.